How to turn off cookies on Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have the cookie banner hidden or turned off into your Godaddy website. So the process is going to be very easy. We're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to head over my products. Once you have did that, you're going to choose the website that you're going to turn off the cookies for. So in our case, I'm going to choose one of these. Let's try this one. And we're going to face up the dashboard of that website, just like that. We're going basically to click on edit website in this button, or this case right there. Now, as you can see, it is going to load up the content of the website and we're going to find everything. Now, the cookie banner or the cookies in general are going to be found on the settings. How we can find them basically, or how it is going to be shown, we're going to click on preview. And normally you're going to find the specific cookie banner in here. Let's see here, we are going to publish the website. So it is going to be having the cookie banner added. So let's make sure that we are going to understand what is a cookie banner. And we're going to view it just like that into a few seconds. You're going to see normally a banner found in here, which is going to let you accept or decline the cookies. So in our case, it is disabled. So we are going to head over the settings and we are going to scroll down till the end of the, let's say here, settings. We're going to find the section or the category of the analytics and tracking. We're going to find here cookie banner. So the cookie banner is going to be in here. So show cookie banner notification. And this is it. So you can go ahead and as you can see here, the cookie banner disablement, click on here. And also for the advanced tracking, which is going to allow you to place the cookies into the browser, we are going also to have it like that. Click on publish and boom. So this is how you can disable or turn off the cookies. So with that, you're going to visit your website and you're not going to get the notification or the banner for the cookies. So after that, you can go ahead and place them on or turn them on after you have finished with it, or maybe you're going to need the information that you're going to get from them. You can go ahead and turn them on, both of them. Also, you can go ahead and have the decline button activated. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.